Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Wix site. First, navigate to the Wix website and sign up for a free account or login. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates across various categories, so take your time to find one that truly resonates with your vision. This initial choice sets the foundation for your site's look and feel, making the design process much smoother as you move forward. Now that you have a template, it's time to make it uniquely yours. The Wix editor is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop elements precisely where you want them. You can easily change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to align with your brand. Don't forget to upload your own high-quality images and videos to truly personalize the content. The Wix app market also offers hundreds of applications to extend your site's capabilities, from booking systems to e-commerce tools. With your design taking shape, the next step is populating your site with compelling content. Craft clear and concise text for each page, ensuring it communicates your message effectively. If you're selling products, set up your online store by adding product images, descriptions, and pricing. Wix provides robust e-commerce features, including secure payment gateways. Also, explore the built-in SEO tools to optimize your site for search engines, helping more people discover your online presence. Before hitting that Publish button, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire site. Check all links, images, and forms to ensure they function perfectly. Consider connecting a custom domain name, which adds a professional touch and makes your site easier to remember. Once you're confident everything is just right, click Publish to launch your Wix site. Congratulations! Your website is now live and ready to connect with your audience across the globe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.